Uh, Long story short, there's a sliding door right there, and I was going to replace this mechanism right here. I was gonna go and buy a new one. Um, so I think they're like about, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks at the store. So if you're having an issue where it's not locking anymore, this is what I recommend that you do. And I apologize for the lighting. Let me try to get a good light source here. Uh, this is what I recommend. You see, what I realized was that, and I apologize for the zoom in. That spring right there. Make sure you look at the lock and look at that spring. What happened was that you see that connection right there. It broke. It snapped off. It's an old lock, so after a while, I guess they just kind of break. So what I did was that I grabbed some needle nose pliers and I took it out, and then I had to, it took me a little bit, but because believe it or not, that spring is actually the steel's pretty hard. So what I did was that I eventually kind of worked it through the hole, and I made it hook. And then once that hooked on again, it pretty much worked the way that it was supposed to work. When you open it and you close it. So very easy fix that might save you $30, $40. And again, I apologize for the blurriness of it. But look at that spring, and that might actually resolve your issue. So hope this helps anybody. Again, remember, you're just pulling it. If it is loose, if it's snapped off, all you have to do is just grab it with some needle nose pliers, bend some of the bands that are towards the end, and put them back into that hole. And then when you twist here, you're gonna notice that now it locks in and unlocks. So hope it helps. You just put it back in there and it should help. All right.